Hello heroes, Joe Smith here again. Another Stump the Tool Guy Thursday. Let's kick it off here. What do we got? Made out of metal, kind of long there. About 14 inches overall. What might it be? What might be it used for? Answers to last week is in the description. The answer to this will be in the description next week. If someone gets it, Joe Smith here will pin it. And we'll all worship you and celebrate you for your tool smartness. We're just having some fun and learning about some new tools here. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe. If you got some pocket change, there's probably a buck or two worth of change laying in your cup holder and console and underneath your floor mats in your car. So donate to local veteran charity here, or if you have a veteran charity or other charity nearby you that you like to help out, or donate the pocket change to them. Or if you want to, you can send a couple bucks to Joe Smith here. I hope everyone enjoys these Stump the Tool Guy games here and the other videos Joe Smith does for you. This has been another episode of Stump the Tool Guy Thursday with Joe Smith. Joe Smith here signing out.